Today, we have unveiled REVA Initiative for Scholastic Excellence. That is, you will get support from the university, like scholarships, and along with scholarships, you know that we have REVA Nest here, that is incubation. We have opportunity here to students to explore and come forward with their ideas through we are running hackathons, ideathons, everything available with us. The students comes with their ideas, and if the idea qualifies, we will accommodate them in REVA Nest, that is play incubation, their place is available. Again, mentors are there to group them. We will support even financially also. The main purpose is education to enterprise. Again, to become an entrepreneur, we will support them with the place, mentoring, finance, all these things. That is the main purpose of today's program here. That is media. I am requesting the media to popularize this through your channels, and that will help for the rural students and disabled people to utilize the scholarships what we have announced, and for the students who can become job providers.